It's Wednesday, June 24th. I'm Sophie Kamarudin, and these are the top stories moving Malaysia. Growing demand from China. The Asian giant is the biggest consumer of industrial metals, bauxite included, which is a major source of aluminum. And in May, Australia just pipped Malaysia as the top supplier of bauxite to China. Here's Jacqueline Cao with more. So China's demand for that industrial metal, bauxite, is expected to be 35 million tons in 2015. How is it feeding this appetite?
Well, so in January last year, Indonesia, which was the third largest bauxite supplier in the world, stopped exporting raw ores like nickel, copper, and bauxite in efforts to boost its domestic industry. So since then, Australia and Malaysia have been filling the gap left off by Indonesia. Now, if you look at the chart that we have here, Malaysia's bauxite exports to China have been steadily on the rise and really took off this year, hitting a peak in April of more than 2 million metric tons. Now, though exports came down slightly in May, 23% from April, it's still, it's important to note that this 1.5 million tons shipped for that month is a 24 jump from a year earlier.
All right, so clearly local production is ramping up.
Yeah, that's right. Production of bauxite in Malaysia grew 4 times to more than 960,000 tons in 2014 if you compare to 208,000 in 2013. A Beijing-based rep for research firm CRU says that Malaysia is capable to supply more now that there are new mines available in the market. CRU's warning last year also said that iron ore mining companies have actually switched to bauxite mining mining because iron ore prices aren't that good.
Okay, given the trends that we're seeing there, what kind of export growth is anticipated for this year?
Well, CRU says that total exports for 2015 will likely clock in at 12 million tons. So it would seem that Malaysian producers are positioning themselves for this appetite that China has. Now, I recently spoke to the CEO of GMCI Corporation. They're an American company. They're traded over the counter on Nasdaq, and they recently bought a mining company, SBS Mining, a Malaysian company, and they're one of the companies that made the switch from iron ore mining to bauxite mining. I asked him, where's the target market that they're looking at? And he says, definitely China.
All right, so getting into that bauxite boom. Thank you to Jacqueline Cao.